In this training, we will walk through the proper installation and adjustment of the switch assembly, including pipe alignment, gearbox installation, and final travel adjustments. Begin by inserting the clevis pin and securing it with a cotter pin. You will notice the switch is still tied closed with a wire. This remains in place during installation. Install the interphase pipe. The interphase pipe must pass through all three phases of the switch. Install the reach rod bracket. Ensure proper alignment during placement. Ensure equal spacing on both ends. There should be equal pipe extending from both clevises. Once aligned, tighten all bolts securely. Do not pierce the pipe at this stage. Apply a witness mark to prevent movement. Next, install the top plate and tighten all bolts. Install the double roll bearing and tighten all fasteners. This pipe represents the vertical operating pipe, or VOP. Install the gearbox coupler. The adapter includes 2 piercing screws on either side. Align the gearbox coupler with the gearbox. Ensure there is slight clearance, about 1/8 inch, between the gearbox coupler and gearbox. This prevents the vertical operating pipe weight from resting on the gearbox. Tighten the piercing screws while maintaining clearance. Apply a witness mark to detect any movement over time. Install the clevis and then the drive arm. Tighten all bolts securely. You may now remove the tie wires that held the switch closed. These wires should remain until the drive arm is installed. All 3 phases will have tie wires. Operate the switch and confirm it moves from stop to stop. If adjustment is needed, reference the witness mark. Loosen the clevis to adjust travel. This adjustment redistributes travel between open and closed positions, or vice versa, depending on the movement. Tighten the bolts and operate the switch again. Ensure equal travel in both open and closed positions. To increase travel equally between open and close, mark the adjustable arm, loosen bolts, and lengthen the arm. Move the pole away from the arm in quarter-inch increments. Use the witness mark to track adjustment distance. If travel needs to be reduced equally between open and close, shorten the adjustable arm. Again, adjustments should be made in quarter-inch increments. Install the ground strap and tighten securely. At this stage, all piercing bolts should be tightened completely, piercing the pipes to complete the installation.